Remember this empty, dusty cattle stable? Well, be prepared to be amazed. We've turned it into a thriving sanctuary for our cacti and adenium plants, along with some special new residents. Well, today I'm going to give you a full tour and show you just what we've been up to. Well, mainly what my wife and my mother-in-law have been up to over here. The first thing we did was install some skylights to get more light into the building, because both the cacti and the adenium love the light. They don't like the rain so much, but now they're protected from the wind and rain and have plenty of light. Getting the cacti and the adenium moved in here was a big job, but it's all done now and it's looking fantastic. And we've got a mixture of cacti that are potted and developing their roots, and Panta's got some over there that she's grafted already and are just now waiting for those new grafts to take. So the rains came early this year and that has put a stop to the flowering. There's not many flowers, but when they do flower, they're absolutely magnificent.
I do natural style, like a jump cactus with the dirt. For make the root by themselves is quite take time, very long time for them grow up. Something like that, maybe 1 year or something, just a little bit grow up. It's not fast enough. But if I graft like that, cut and jump with this one, and then this one will suck the feed for the top head, and then they will go bigger very quickly, like that.
Yep.
This is my adenium. I take care until root strong, and then this year I will try to graft with the beautiful flower, but just wait for weather clear enough.
So there's too much rain at the moment, is there?
Too much rain, right.
So outside here we've got another area with even more adenium that we're going to use for grafting. Along with the cacti and the adenium, we're also growing vegetables. We've got some salad veggies in, we've got some beans and some cucumbers, plenty of chili, and then Panta has also planted a lot of bananas and papaya, and then also some other flowering plants to make it look beautiful. And her mum decided to build a little accommodation spot here so she can come and visit, and she's been incredibly helpful with the gardening as well. And we've got a new spot for our turtles. It's temporary at the moment. I've still got to do some design work, but it's a great new home for them. Now we've got the area down the back here where the hoop houses used to be and all the poles that held the tables up. We're looking to repurpose it. So if you've got any suggestions, drop them in the comments below. And if you'd like to see more from what we do here at Succulent Homestay, please check out this video next. Thanks very much for watching.